From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
I'm student meteorologist Vivian Rennie, and here is a look at today's forecast. It was a muggy and damp one out here in State College today. Got lots of clouds in our area, bringing quite a bit of precipitation, and those warm temperatures have been sticking around 70 degrees today. That's much higher than average for this time of the year. We've got that west wind at about 8 miles an hour, and that's the wind that's going to start bringing in much cooler temperatures later into tonight and into tomorrow, when we're going to be seeing much cooler temperatures. Our weather headlines for today: it was a warm, wet, and humid day today. I know everybody out there was feeling that humidity, feeling how warm it is for this time of the year, not really feeling like October, but that's all going to change as a cold front will be moving through later tonight, bringing in much cooler temperatures, and that's going to really let fall return into our area this weekend, especially for the Penn State versus Michigan State game this weekend. As we look at our current radar and satellite, we have this large band of rain continuing to move through the Commonwealth, and that's all due to Hurricane Michael that's to the south of us currently after doing massive damage in the Florida Panhandle, but it's going to continue to move up through the Carolinas, moving up into Virginia in the next few hours, but that's all really going to be pushed out into the North Atlantic by this cold front in the next few days. This cold front's going to really continue to move that through, and that's also going to move Hurricane Michael out of our area as well over the next few hours. Hurricane Michael has done a lot of damage, and it's continuing to move up through the Carolinas into Virginia later on today. It's moving northeast at 23 miles an hour. This is a very fast-moving tropical weather event, but it's going to continue to move, bringing lots and lots of precipitation to this entire area of the East Coast. The winds are still at about 50 miles an hour close to the storm, something to keep an eye on if you're anywhere in this storm's track. Looking closer to home, that cold front is going to really move these high temperatures out into the North Atlantic, bringing much cooler temperatures in the next few days, getting down to right about where Chicago's feeling right now, 50 degrees. In the next few days, we're going to be feeling this very cold air mass starting to move in, bringing fall back into our area. As we look at that cold front moving through, it is going to clear out our area, bringing these nice clear skies for Friday. It's going to be a great time to get out and enjoy fall here in central Pennsylvania. Before we're going to be seeing quite a bit of rain Saturday, around 1 a.m., those middle of the night showers is going to move through, hopefully being out of our area before Saturday morning when tailgates will kick off for the Penn State versus Michigan State game. During those tailgates, there is that chance of showers still, but those will be clearing out by the game. At kickoff, about 48 degrees. You're going to want to bring in that sweater if you're going into Beaver Stadium, especially by the fourth quarter. It is going to be chilly, only forecasted to be about 41 degrees. That's much cooler than we've been seeing for the last few games in Beaver Stadium. We definitely know we're just going to bundle up for our stripe out against the Spartans this weekend. As we look at our 7-day forecast, showers are going to be staying through today before we feel those much cooler temperatures tomorrow. 52 degrees only tomorrow, and that's going to continue in those mid to upper 50s for the rest of the forecast. We're going to be seeing those chance of showers continuing to move through as those cooler temperatures start to prevail in central Pennsylvania. So we might be starting to see the actual start of fall here in State College. We've been seeing those warmer than average temperatures, but that's all going to change starting tonight when we're going to be feeling those cool temperatures. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Vivian Rennie.